္ဂလာပါအင်္ဂလိပ်များဖြစ်ပါတယ် Here is Burmese consonants letter for you. There are 33 consonants in Burmese, so let's try to pronounce together. The first one is Kaji, Kagwe, Gange, Gaji, Nga, Salo, Sale, Zagwe, Zamienswe, Nya. Tadlin J, Tawumbe, Dayegao, Dayemo, Naji, Dawumbu, Tasindu, Darui, Dauchai, Nange, Baza, Pauto, Patachai, Bago, Ma, Yapale, Yaga, La, Wa, Ta, Ha, Laji, A. Thank you, Jesu Demare.